When it comes to weight loss, salmon is a powerhouse food that should be incorporated into your diet. Not only is it packed with essential nutrients such as protein, healthy fats and minerals, but it can also help you reach your weight loss goals. Here's why you should add salmon to your weight loss plan. Salmon is low in calories but rich in protein. Protein helps to keep you feeling full for longer, meaning you're less likely to overindulge in unhealthy snacks. This makes it an ideal food to include in a weight loss diet. Additionally, the healthy fats found in salmon help to keep your cholesterol levels in check, which can also aid in weight loss. Salmon is also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids have been linked to a number of health benefits, including weight loss. Studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce inflammation, which can help to speed up your metabolism and help you to burn more calories. Finally, salmon is rich in various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. These nutrients can help to boost your energy levels and support your overall health. This, in turn, can help to make it easier to stick to a healthy diet and exercise routine. Overall, salmon is a great food to add to your diet if you're trying to lose weight. It's low in calories, rich in protein and healthy fats, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's delicious and easy to prepare. So, why not give it a try and see how it can help you reach your weight loss goals? Please like, subscribe and hit that bell for videos to come. Thanks.